initialize variables. First, you declare before try, initialize variables, use those objects. Okay, and then we close those objects in the finally block. This is what our JDBC code, what I have explained, right? From Java 6 version onwards, why initializing try blocker? Hey, Rahul Kumar, I think you forgot everything. Already explained these points olden days. It's not new today. From Java 7 version onwards, what is there? Try parenthesis and also body. So we are just separating objects from the body. We are moving those objects into try parenthesis. Okay. Then these objects are called try with resource. This concept is called try with resource. Try block is with resources. Okay. From Java 7 version onwards, we no need declare variable outside. We no need initialize inside. All we write at one place. The next, from Java 7 version onwards, we no need to call close methods in finally block. This finally block is automatically generated by compiler software and close. So try with resource is a new feature using which the objects are automatically closed by compiler. In order to tell to compiler, close those objects automatically by your own, we must place the variable declaration and object creation inside try parenthesis. That's it. Yeah, compiler will take care of everything. Okay, now? Offline students of 11 a.m. Please reply. Guys, when you didn't receive the link in the classroom, you must ask me in the group, no, why you are waiting up to here? Up to now, why you are waiting? You must post me message, sir. Link is missing. Link is not received in the Google Classroom. I forgot you guys actually. Okay, don't worry. Quickly, let me tell you what I have explained. Okay. So just I completed 3 points. That's it. For the 3 points I explained, Java 7 new features with respect to try catch finally. With respect to try, we have one feature. With respect to catch, we have one feature. With finally, no feature. Java 7 with respect to try catch, 2 features are added. One is try with resource. Second one is what? Catch with multiple exceptions. In last class, we have completed catch with multiple exceptions. Now we are pending with try with resource. Now here try with resource, there are, first of all, we need to understand what is a resource. A resource is nothing but an object that has a connection to the external resources, file, network, database is called what? Resource. Tell me, you want to connect to the file. In your Java program, you must create one object connecting to this file. This object is what? A file reader object. Now you are connecting to, you want to connect it to network computer. This network computer, to connect, I required one object connecting to it. This object is called what? Socket. Okay. Next, now I have database. I want to connect to database object. Further, I need one object to create in my program. Now in this program, the object is what I should create: connection statement, repair statement. And now tell me, all these objects we are creating and holding by using one object, our own object, one object. Now, these objects, file reader object and socket object and connection object, all called what? Resource. When I can call a object is a resource. Can I call every object as a resource? No. If you want to call an object as a resource, that object should maintain connection to external resources like file, network computer, or what? Database. Okay. Then I told you when you create an object that contain connection, what you do inside try block. Okay, before try block, we declare variable. In try block, you create object and assign the object, and then catch block. If you got any exception, we will catch. And finally, what you write, those objects dot close method. Na? Closing those objects are compulsory. This is the code we have written up to Java 6 version. From Java 7 version, you are free from creating this finally block. Okay, you are free from creating this finally block. From which version? Java 7. Who will create them? It will create by compiler software. Now, I should tell to compiler, I don't close those objects. You only close automatically. Further, the syntax is changed. Try. Earlier we have block. Now we are getting parenthesis. In the parenthesis, variable declare equal to object you create. Everything we do in a try parenthesis, open bracket, and then here you write the logic for whatever logic you are writing earlier, the same logic you are writing. Then only we write what? Catch off the exception which you are catching. That's it. We are not writing finally. Okay. To close this object, close method call will be added in finally by whom now? Compiler software automatically. So that's what I have explained. Try with resource. What is a try with resource? It's a Java 7 new feature using which we can manage auto closable objects. Okay, try with resource is the Java 7 new feature. Why try with resource? Try with resource feature is given to close connection based objects, connections automatically by compiler. How the try with resource? Try parenthesis, resource objects, close parenthesis. Compiler code change for try with resource. At end of the try block, compiler software will add finally block. Java 6 and Java 7 code comparison with I want JDBC code. Okay, so these 5 points I completed. That's what I'm showing. This is the theory. I just read these points. You can read later after class completed. And try with resource. Try resource object. Now, what the important point? When I write try with resource object, you no need to write even catch also. Did you notice? After try block, we didn't write catch or finally. If we create try with resource, we no need to place catch or finally blocks because after try block, compiler will place finally blocks internally with the close method calls. It's look like a only try, but it is internally what? Try with finally. Try with finally alone. Then that's what I'm explaining. Sample code with the try with resource. IO package. IO package code. What you are writing here? Main method. Print stream PS equal to null. Try block. PS equal to new print stream of object. Okay, now. If exception rise, you don't want to catch abnormal termination. Okay. If you want to catch, you write catch block. This is syntax. This syntax is allowed. Try with open bracket, close bracket. This syntax is allowed without catch block. Then if exception rise here, exception is not caught. JVM will catch that exception. This method terminated abnormal. If you want smooth termination, you must write catch block. So this is Java 6 version code up to Java 6. Okay. Print stream PS equal to null. PS equal to new print stream of system.in array by year like previously. However, you write earlier catch block same way. Try after catch block. PS dot print turn of high. Finally, if PS not equal to PS dot close. This is our old code. Now what the new code? Now after try block, finally no need to write. Who will write finally? Compiler will write. So where you are creating this object inside try parent. JDBC code. Earlier we are writing like this. Result set R is equal to null. Try con equal to dm dot get connection. Create statement. Execute query. and then calling get xx methods, okay, for reading data from result set. And then finally block, we are closed. Now from Java 7 version onwards, we have to declare variable, create object where in try parameters. And rs.get connection methods you have to call in try block. And then catch block. If any exceptions are coming from here, we are catching those exceptions. Earlier I explained without catch block, and now I am taking with catch block. So this is what I explained up to now. Okay. All you guys understood?